Hi everyone, this is Artish. Today's experiment we are going to determine the pH of soil samples. The soil sample that we are using today is the sandy clay loam. The first step in the process is to add 30 grams of the soil sample into a glass beaker. We have it measured accurately through a scale. The second step is to add another 30 grams of distilled water into the beaker where the soil sample was set. After that, following that, we need to stir it really well and let it rest for 1 hour. And after 1 hour, we'll go ahead with step 3. So far, we've been letting the solution rest for 1 hour. It's been an hour, but it's an hour now. During that 1 hour, every 15 minutes, we kept stirring the soil slurry solution so that it keeps getting scrambled and then settle down every 10-15 minutes. Now that we've waited for an hour, our next step, that is step 3, is standardizing the temperature of the soil slurry solution. So what we have here is the Acumet temperature probe. It's an automatic temperature sensor. So we have used a stand to hold it for 30 seconds. And as you can see, the value, the current temperature is 21.8, and the standardization temperature is 21, which is the temperature of the slurry solution. As we give OK, it's going to standardize the temperature and it's going to give us a stable value. So this is the final step of our pH determination of sandy clay loam. So what we're doing here is we have the soil sample all ready. We've standardized the temperature, and this here is the pH probe. So it has a small bulb at the bottom, which is the sensor. And right now we've calibrated the setup. We have a pH measurement. So this is the value, standard value, which they have 7.68. The next step for us is to immerse the probe just over the slurry solution and not into the sand itself, just slightly touching the water. So now in the calibration setup, we go to standardize, and we check for the value as to which pH it is. So once it says 6.997, we let it rest for like 20 to 30 seconds so that we get to know what stable value pH value it is. So as you can see, the value is stable at 7.77 after almost 20 seconds. So you hit confirm here. The pH value for sandy clay loam is 7 or 6.99. The 6.99 is a stable value as per the pH measurement and the pH probe that we've got. So this is the pH value, and this is a total experiment for the pH determination. We can use this experiment for all the other soil types that we have, and we can get standardized values for each soil type. We can perform the same experiment thrice so that we can get a reference value, and we can make sure that all three values are pretty much around the same pH value that we have received right now.